Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. I will put the s go to the right. Later that we put the integration for the both sides. Next, the integration of dy, we have y. This one we have s squared over 2. And I will put about c. Number 2 and number 2 we simplify and we have s squared. Now we have the conditions in here. So this one we have s equal to number 0, y equals to number 2. So I will put number 2 and number 0 on here to find the value of c. So s equal to number 0 and y equal to number 2. So in this situation, c equal to number 2. And now I will put number 2 on here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.